If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The Convert Point tool in Photoshop lets you convert an anchor point on a path component into a curved anchor point and vice versa. To use the Convert Point tool in Photoshop, click the Convert Point tool button in the Tools panel. This tool shares the same button as the Pen tool, Freeform Pen tool, Curvature Pen tool, Add Anchor Point tool, and Delete Anchor Point tool, and the button shows the icon of the tool last selected. So if needed, click and hold down on this button in the Tools panel, and then select the Convert Point Tool command from the side menu that appears to select it. There are no options for the Convert Point tool in the Options bar control panel. To use the Convert Point tool in Photoshop, select the shape layer in the Layers panel or Path in the Paths panel that contains the path component anchor point to convert. Then hover over the path component to select within the selected shape layer or path and click it once to show its anchor points. Then hover over the anchor point to convert in the path component until your mouse pointer turns into an icon that looks like an empty arrowhead or two tangent lines emerging from an anchor point. To then convert a normal anchor point to a curved anchor point using the Convert Point tool in Photoshop, click and drag from the anchor point along the angle at which to add the anchor point's direction line. Then release the mouse button. To bend the direction line if desired, click and hold down on one of the end points of the direction line, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard, and then move the section of the direction line to create the bend. Then release your mouse pointer and the Alt key. Alternatively, to convert a curved anchor point into a normal anchor point using the Convert Point tool in Photoshop, just click the curved anchor point. Doing this then removes its direction line and converts the point into a normal anchor point. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.